Hello friends, so here is another animation of eye blinking. So this is very easy animation of eye blinking. I have texture painted this object, so this texture is missing here. So what I have done is, let's pause this animation. What I have done is just I have added, first I have added the vertex group here, or two vertex groups, and then here you can change the value of the, here you can change the value of the this thing. So like this you can animate the eyes of a character. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D videos like this, and also some uh, gaming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.